Breaking: October 2025 CPP and OAS payments officially confirmed. Full schedule revealed. Big news for Canadian seniors. The government has just confirmed the official CPP and OAS payment dates for October 2025. And there's more than just a schedule inside this update. From deposit timings to upcoming increases and hidden details you might have missed. Stay tuned, because this affects every single pension recipient in Canada. Welcome to Canada Insight Now, your trusted source for real updates on pension, immigration, and politics in Canada. Stay informed, stay empowered. Let's begin today's update. Let us start with the big news. Both CPP and OAS payments for October 2025 have been confirmed to arrive on schedule without any delays. The deposit dates will begin rolling out during the 3rd and 4th weeks of October, ensuring seniors receive their money well before the end of the month. This means anyone depending on CPP, retirement, disability, or survivor benefits, as well as OSS and GIS payments, can expect funds directly into their bank accounts within the confirmed time frame. For CPP recipients, the confirmed payment date for October 2025 is Wednesday, October 22nd. That's the day the direct deposits are expected to hit accounts nationwide. As usual, if you receive payments through mailed checks, you might need to allow a few extra days for delivery, depending on your province or region. Those with direct deposit will see it faster, often early morning on the 22nd. Now for OAS, the Old Age Security payment is confirmed for Thursday, October 24th, 2025. This date applies to everyone receiving the base OAS pension, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, and any related allowances. The good news is that the federal government has kept the schedule consistent, helping seniors better plan their budgets around rent, groceries, utilities, and other essentials. But this update is about more than just dates. There's also talk of indexation adjustments and minor increases coming later this year. While the October payments will follow the regular July-September indexation rate, the next quarterly review in January 2026 is expected to reflect higher cost of living adjustments. Inflation rates have remained elevated through mid-2025. And analysts predict a 2.4% increase in both CPP and OAS by early next year. So what does that mean for you right now? If you're a senior on CPP or OAS, your October payment amount will stay consistent with what you've received since the summer quarter. For most retirees, that is around $1,360 per month in combined benefits, if you are receiving both CPP and OAS. Though actual amounts vary depending on your personal contributions and age of application. Those who delayed CPP past age 65 will continue enjoying that boosted monthly rate, up to 42% higher if you waited until age 70. The government has emphasized that these programs remain financially stable and sustainable, even as Canada's senior population continues to grow. In fact, over 6.7 million Canadians now receive OAS payments, and more than 5.4 million collect CPP benefits each month. That's a record high, showing how critical these programs are in protecting retirement income across the country. Let's quickly break down what each program represents for anyone new or nearing retirement. The Canada Pension Plan, CPP, is based on your work history and contributions throughout your career. The longer and more consistently you worked in Canada, and the higher your income during those years, the greater your monthly CPP benefit. On the other hand, Old Age Security, OAS, is not tied to employment contributions, but rather your residency in Canada. Most people qualify after living in the country for at least 10 years after age 18, though the full benefit usually requires 40 years of residency. The Guaranteed Income Supplement, or GIS, continues to play a huge role for lower-income seniors. If your income is below a certain level, you receive additional monthly payments that can significantly increase your overall support. These benefits are also deposited on the same day as your OAS. So for October, GIS recipients will receive their funds on October 24, 2025 as well. One question many viewers have been asking is, what if my payment doesn't arrive on the scheduled date? That's a fair concern. Typically, if your CPP or OAS direct deposit doesn't show up on the exact day, you should wait up to 48 hours, as processing times can vary by bank. If it's still missing after 2 business days, Service Canada recommends contacting them directly. For check payments, delays of 5 to 10 days are normal due to Canada Post delivery times. Another key reminder: always make sure your direct deposit information with Service Canada is up to date. Many seniors forget to update their bank account after switching banks or opening a new account, which can delay payments. You can easily verify or update your details through your My Service Canada account online, which is the fastest and most secure option. Now, let's talk about what's ahead. Experts say 2026 could bring another wave of pension adjustments if inflation continues above target. The government reviews OAS every quarter in January, April, July, and October, and automatically increases it when the Consumer Price Index rises. CPP, however, adjusts once a year, every January. That means your January 2026 CPP deposit will likely include a small cost of living boost based on 2025 inflation levels. Many seniors are also wondering about tax impacts. Remember, both CPP and OAS are taxable benefits, meaning you'll need to report them on your 2025 tax return. However, there are credits and benefits available to help lower-income seniors offset some of that taxable income, such as the age amount credit and pension income amount. For those just turning 65 this year, it is important to know that you must apply for CPP. It doesn't start automatically. But OAS is often automatic if Service Canada already has your information. Still, it is always a good idea to confirm your eligibility and application status at least 6 months before your desired start date. There's also some encouraging news about the CPP Enhancement Program, which continues to grow gradually each year. Since its launch in 2019, the enhanced portion of CPP contributions has been increasing steadily, building higher future benefits for today's workers. This means younger Canadians will eventually receive a higher CPP payout than the current generation of retirees, offering stronger long-term income security. Meanwhile, the OAS program continues to include income recovery thresholds, meaning that higher income seniors may have to repay part of their benefit. For 2025, the clawback threshold remains around $90,997, meaning if your annual net income exceeds that, a small portion of your OAS may be reduced. Overall, October 2025 brings stability and reassurance to Canada's retirees. Payments are confirmed, dates are fixed, and the system remains reliable. Seniors can count on their deposits arriving between October 22nd and 24th, just as scheduled. For many, this is the income they depend on for essentials: rent, medication, transportation, and groceries. And knowing exactly when it arrives provides peace of mind. As we move into the final quarter of 2025, experts continue to watch inflation trends closely. The next cost of living adjustment announcement for OAS will likely come in early January, and we'll be covering it as soon as it's made official. So for now, mark your calendars: October 22nd for CPP and October 24th for OAS and GIS. Payments will be processed through direct deposit across all major banks, credit unions, and financial institutions. If you're still waiting for your first payment, check your My Service Canada account for your application status and upcoming deposit schedule. That is the full update for today. A clear confirmation from the government that October 2025 CPP and OAS payments are 100% confirmed and on time. Seniors can now plan their month confidently, knowing their benefits are secured and consistent. Thanks for watching Canada Insight Now, where facts meet clarity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss important news that matters to every Canadian.